My dear technician, welcome back to my new video. Check this out. One of my technician brought this iPhone 13 Pro to me for repair. According to him, he told me that the phone was working before. The only problem was charging. The phone was not charging. So he changed the damn board. He tried to fix it. At the end, it proved abortive. He tried to work on the motherboard. At the end, the phone stopped working. My dear technician, he brought the phone here to me for repair. So without time wasted, I will show you step-by-step process on how you can be able to fix it. So let's get started. My dear technician, have in mind that the iPhone 13 Pro have two boards joined together. Yes, we mostly call it sandwich board. For us to fix this issue perfectly, we have to check whether voltage is flowing in or not so that we can know what to do. Check this out. I first of all use my multimeter. I set my multimeter to continuity mode. I place the negative of my multimeter probe to the ground while I use the positive of my multimeter probe to test the VBAT. From the reading, you can see that we have half short. The phone is having half short, meaning the phone will not turn on. Voltage will not enter. You understand? So now let's use our DC power supply to confirm. I set my DC power to 4.2 volts and 2 amps, and I also turn on OCP. You can see immediately I turn on the output, the OCP start blinking, meaning something is wrong, meaning there is a short. My dear technician, the technician that brought this phone to me told me that when he was trying to fix the phone, that this particular shell right here was heating up, so I should open the shell and check before I proceed. I said there's no problem, so I have to open the shell and check if there's any physical damage right here. If there is, then I would know what to do. If there is no physical damage and it's not from here, we proceed to separating the board. My dear technician, if you have any question that you want to ask me, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. You can see I'm taking my time to do this. So I want you to take your time to do your customer phone. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. So after opening the shell, I did not see any physical damage. The problem is not actually from the IC. So I move forward straight to separating the board. By the technician, I told you guys before that I will not expose everything online. If you want to learn more about this, feel free, contact me or come to my physical class. Thank you. So let's continue. You can see right now I want to separate the board. So during this process, you have to be very careful. You can see you have to be very careful. Please be very careful. Use the correct temperature. As you can see, I'm using the correct temperature. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. Check this out. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. So right now you can see that I am done. My dear technician, before I proceed, first of all, I will check for physical damage. Check this out. You can see we have a lot of flux here. You can see how it is. Check this out. From the look of things here, the technician that worked on this phone before tried to, separate the board and try to mount it back. I can see that during the process, it mixed up everything like paste. I mean, the soda paste, all those balls fell inside the PCB and shorted a lot of component right here. You can see how the whole thing is. So have to, remove ICs and then clean up, reboard them, mount them back. As a technician, it is not easy. I have to take my time to do this. So we have a lot of physical damage right here. You can see the boost coil. The boost coil is not good. You can see the boost coil is not good and I have to remove it. My technician, I'll hide some things here. I don't want to expose all my works online. If you want to learn more, come to my physical class or you contact me, okay? So right here is where the boost coil was, so I remove it and I have to take my time to do this. So guys, I will fast forward this video to where I will change the charging IC because the charging IC is not working, so I have to change it. have to work on things. The power IC is reball, have reball the power IC, and some ICs here have reball it due to how the balls was spreading around the phone PCB, shorting a lot of components. So I've removed those components and reball and mount them back. Okay, so let me move straight to charging IC and fix it. And so for the charging IC, I'll replace it since the charging IC was not working. So I'll replace it and put new one. If you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. Check this out. So right here is the charging IC. I'll replace it and put new one. No time to waste. So for the temperature, you have to be very careful. Please use the correct temperature. Apply flux before you start. You can see I apply a little flux. So apply a little flux before you start to heat up the IC. Take your time to do it. Be very careful. You can see I'm taking my time to do my own. Check this out. I'll be done. Very simple. You remove it. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. So the next thing is for you to desolder it. You can see that I'm using forward desoldering wig. I love it so much. So check this out. If you have questions, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. You can see that I'm taking my time to do my own. So please take your time to do your own. Please do not rush. Please take your time to do it. You can see I clean it very well. Do not rush. Okay, check this out. Very clean. Very clean. I love this. Very smooth. You can see no issue. Take your time to do it. The next thing is for you to clean it. Okay, clean it very well. You can see no error. Clean. No error, my dear technician. Take your time to do it. So the next thing is for me to change the IC. So right here is the new IC that I want to replace. You can see, check this out. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. Use the correct temperature to heat up. I'm using the correct temperature right now. So use the correct temperature to heat up. Check this out. You can see that I'm using the correct temperature. Check this out. Use the correct temperature, please. At the technician, I'm done. So the next thing is for me to check if there is any error. You can see I take my time to check. At the technician, you can see right now I want to clean the old balls. You have to take your time to clean it very well. The next thing is for me to remove this IC and reboil. You may ask, Father Joe, why do you want to remove it? I want to remove it because the IC is heating up. The IC is shorting, power is heating up. The reason why the IC is heating up, shorting power is because of the balls that was spreading around the components right here on the phone PCB. So I told you guys before that some balls were spreading around, shorting components. So that's why I want to remove it right now. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Right now, I want to reball. You can see. If you have question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Check this out, my dear technician. There's no time to waste. Check this out. I don't want to waste time. Check this out. I'm done reboiling. So the next thing is for me to mount it back. So this is the IC. Please, you have to be very careful. Take your time to do it. Do not rush. If you have any question, my dear technician, let me know in the comment section. Check this out. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. Apply a little small flux. Okay, apply small flux. Take your time to do it. Don't rush. You have to be very careful. Oh. This IC is glass, so you have to be very careful. You can see that I'm careful, so take your time to do it. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. Set it very well. The next thing is for you to heat up. So heat it up. Take your time to do it. Don't rush. At the technician, check this out. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'm done, my dear technician. Check this out. I'm done. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. The next thing is for me to join the board together. You can see I use my magnetic tools. Check this out, my dear technician. You have to take your time to do it. Make sure that you have desoldered both the two boards. Take your time to desolder all those old balls. Take your time to do it before you proceed to the stage. You can see right here, and use your stencil. Check this out. Use your stencil. Take your time to do it. And for the temperature, I use 138. My dear technician, I love this work. I always tell you guys that I love this work. Check this out. Make sure that you have aligned it very well. If not, there will be an error. So make sure you align it very well. You can see, align it very well. Take your time to do it. Take your time to do it. So the next thing is for you to apply it. Okay, apply it. Take your time to do it. Do not rush. You can see I'm taking my time to apply it. So take your time to apply your own. Do not rush. Do not rush. Okay, take your time to do it. You can see that I'm taking my time to apply my own. Do not waste your best tool. Please do not waste it. Take your time to do it, okay, so that you not waste it. Check this out. Check the way I'm doing my own. I want you to do your own successfully without any error. Check this out. I want you to do your own successfully without any error, my dear technician. Check this out. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. The next thing is for you to clean it very well. Check this out. You can see I clean my own. After that, remove the stencil. Remove the stencil. Take your time to do it, okay? Don't rush. Remove the stencil. Check this out. Take your time to do it, okay? Don't rush, my dear technician. The next thing is for you to set the correct airflow and the correct heat for blowing. Right here, you can see how my own come out very well. I want your own to come out very well like this. So just follow the step-by-step process. Everything that I show you in this video, you'll be able to get the exactly same result. So you can see my own come out very well, and you can see very clean. I love this, my dear technician. Very clean work. So take your time to do it. As you can see, I'm blowing right now. I'm blowing. You see the balls. You see the balls. You can see the balls. The balls is coming out. You can see the balls. You can see the balls. Oh my God, I love this, my dear technician. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Check this out. My dear technician, if there is any error, it's simple to correct it, okay? It's very simple to correct it. So check this out. I'm done with blowing. The next thing is for me to apply flux, okay? Use a good flux, please. Use a good flux. Check this out. Use a good flux. You can see, apply small flux around. Apply small flux. If there is any error, please correct it. Like I said before, correct it. It's very simple. Correct it. If you want me to show you how to correct it, let me know in the comment section so that I will do a video and show you how to correct it, okay? Just take your time to do it. So the next thing is for you to confirm if there is any error, confirm and everything is good. So the next thing is for you to join the board together, okay? Join the board together. Take your time to do it. My dear technician, You have to be a professional in this. If not, you will not be able to join the board together. Okay, or you may shot those balls and at the end it fails and you keep doing. At the end you even spoil the phone, so you have to be very careful. You may ask, Joe, you're supposed to use preheater. I have it, but I don't want to use it right now. Okay, so this is the method I want to use. You can see that I'm actually using my blower, and you can see that I removed the nozzle. So I removed the nozzle. I'm actually using my blower for this, and it works like magic. Seriously, it works like magic. It works like magic. If you have question, feel free, let me know in the comment section, my dear technician. So this is the board. I'm done joining the board. You can see perfect, no error. I've checked using the microscope. Is well connected, no issue, it's not shorting. My dear technician is 100% working. If you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. So the next thing is for me to turn on the phone. I have to turn on the phone for you guys to see the proof. My dear technician, if you have any phone that you want to recover data, the phone is not turning on, you want to get all those datas, any phone that's not turning on, you want to fix it, feel free, come to my place to fix it. Okay, you can send to me. If you're not in my state, you can send it to me. You can do Webio. I will get it and fix it and send it back to you. Okay, so guys, this is the phone right now. I want to turn on the phone for you guys to see. At the technician, you can see that it works like magic. You can see it works like magic. The phone is booting right now, so let me wait for the phone to finish booting so that you can see. Check this out. The phone is now back to life, guys. The phone is now back to life. The issue is fixed. The phone is now back to life. Check this out, my data ignition. If you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. So guys, you can see that the phone is back to life. It's working perfectly. Check this out. My data ignition, the phone is back to life. I'm booting the phone using a DC power supply. The battery of the phone is not working, so I will talk to the technician to get a new battery so that everything will be okay. So thank you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye for now. I love you guys. Bye for now. If you have any phone to recover, let me know in the comment section. Send me a message. Bye for now. Thank you.